Hi friends, for Art Center today we are going to make a monster using a coffee filter and markers, and then I have a few sheets of scrap construction paper that I'm going to use too. So first I'm going to open my marker and I'm going to color right on the coffee filter. Now you don't have to do perfect coloring on it. I'm going to put some red. I'm going to do some red up here. All right, while I'm coloring, let's sing the red song. R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. All right, so red, 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 red. And then in here, I left a spot, I'm going to put some blue. B-L-U-E, hi-ho. Did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? All right, now friends, this is pretty cool. I have a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just run your coffee filter under the sink for a second. Now watch this when I spray it. The colors are going to start running. So it's pretty cool. It's going to make the colors run. Oh, and I did a little too much water. If you look, I did a little too much water. And then you can crumble it, kind of get those colors to blend together a little bit too. So I have a pretty cool, all colorful coffee filter. Now I'm going to let this dry. So I'm going to put this off to the side and let it dry. And then I'm going to take my red and blue paper and I'm going to cut out arms and legs for my monster. So I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to pause for just a second while I grab. Okay, friends, so I grabbed my scissors and then I also put my coffee filter on a paper towel to dry. So if you look, my coffee filter is sitting on this paper towel to dry. Now, with my construction paper, I'm going to cut some legs and arms for my monster. So I'm going to cut out 2 legs on the blue paper. I'm going to make my monster 2 blue legs. And remember, you can cut your legs to look however you want because it's going to be your monster. So 2 legs. Okay, and then I'm going to cut out also 2 arms for my monster. And remember, you're going to make your arms and leg for your monster look however you want. This is your monster, so you can make your arms and legs look however you want. Do whatever shapes you want. So I have 2 blue legs and then 2 red arms. Now, my coffee filter is still drying, so I'm not going to glue this on just yet, but when I'm all done, I'm going to glue that on. And then I'm also going to cut out 2 eyes that I'll glue on later too. So I'm going to cut out 2 circle eyes. Okay, so cut out 2 eyes. I'm going to draw dots and draw circles to make the eyes. All right. And then, friends, you could even add some crazy hair at the top, too. So I'm going to use some red and do some funny hair for my monster, too. And then I can glue that at the top, too. So, boys and girls, I'm going to wait until mine finishes drying, and then I'm going to glue on my parts. Oh, I forgot. My monster could also use a mouth, right? I can put a mouth on my monster, so I'm going to do that with my construction paper, too. Now, remember, your monster does not need to look like mine. It's your own monster, so you can make him silly, look however you want. All right, boys and girls, have fun making your monsters. I cannot wait to see them.